He who has no light in his heart, what will he gain from the festival of lamps? These are the profound words of the renowned Sufi scholar, Hazrat WASIF Ali WASIF. This quote invites us to ponder on the fundamental essence of light and darkness, and the role of these elements within our hearts. One might ask, what does this metaphor of light in the heart mean? Simply put, it refers to the presence of love, compassion, wisdom, and positivity. The Festival of Lamps, on the other hand, represents external illuminations and celebrations. Imagine a room filled with beautiful, sparkling lamps, but with no one inside to appreciate its beauty. That's analogous to a person who is surrounded by joy, love, and wisdom, but fails to embrace them because their heart is void of light. The essence of Wasif's quote is the emphasis on the internal rather than the external. It's a call to kindle the light within our hearts before seeking illumination from external sources. It is this internal light that allows us to truly appreciate and gain from the external lights around us. Without it, the most dazzling displays of light would be meaningless. In the realm of spirituality, this light within us is often referred to as the divine spark, the soul, or the true self. It is this light that connects us to the divine, to each other, and to the universe. It is this light that guides us on our spiritual journey, leading us to wisdom, love, and enlightenment. In summary, the main points of discussion from Wasif's quote are: so, as we navigate through life's festivals of lamps, remember to ignite the light within. Only then will the external lights hold value and significance. Only then will we truly gain from the festival of lamps. As Hazrat WASIF Ali WASIF wisely puts it, he who has no light in his heart, what will he gain from the festival of lamps?